Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these cute little roses, flowers. This one looks more like a carnation to me. But I'm going to show you guys how to make these using a few supplies. So what you're going to need, what I used for these, are this decorative trim that's kind of like ruffled on both sides. Some scissors to cut it with, and a hot glue gun. So I'm gonna cut off a piece. You guys can cut off as much as you like. I would say like at least 5 or 6 inches. And be kind of careful the way that you cut it. You can always trim off whatever you don't like, but so there is the top part, and the bottom part is a lot flatter, as you can tell. We're going to be gluing the bottom part together. So what you're going to do is use a little bit of glue. And guys, be very careful that you don't burn yourself. So I'm just going to lay that on there, let it dry for just a little second, cool down. And then I'm going to fold that at that seam. Okay? Just like that. And we're going to do that all the way across, guys. So just do it little by little so you don't burn yourself. And you can get a nice fold. Take your time. Just like that. And we're going to keep going till we get to the ends. Now what I like about this ribbon, this trim, what have you, I like that a little bit will go a long way. Like you can make a nice full flower with just a little. And we're at the end here. There we go. So once you have all of that glued together, you're going to start forming your flower or your rose. So what I do is I'm going to start the middle of our rose by folding it very tightly. So I'm just going to roll it, put a little bead of glue, and continue to roll very tightly. And I'm putting the glue at the seam where we folded it. So I'm just folding it very tightly. All right, so I like the way that looks for my middle. I want to start making it fuller on the outside. So I'm going to start folding it a little bit looser. So once again, just a little bit of glue. And I'm just going to very loosely kind of form the outside, the outer layers. Just like that. And I'm just going to keep going around until I use all of this trim. And we're at the last little tail. And I want to really hold this so it can stick really good. Let it dry a little bit. And there you go. There you have your flower, guys. Once you do this, you can just go ahead and fluff it out to your liking. And you have this really beautiful little rose or flower. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see me do a series of different flower embellishments like this. I've been really into making embellishments and doing like a lot of crafty type of things. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a series of that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.